Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we've got various things that we have on our agenda we need to accomplish. First of all, I'm west side of Tokyo. I'm in Chofu. There is the West Side BMW event happening here today. And the specific reason I wanted to head out here is I wanted to go check out the F450 GS. It's going to be on display today. And then after that, Kenichi-san with his new motorbike, myself, will be heading over to Touratech. Kenichi-san's looking for possibly like a little bit of a thicker side stand placement. GSA ones are quite thin, so if you park in sand. So we're going to head out in a minute with the boys here. Kenichi-san with his new GSA here. It's going to be a fun day. Some things we need to tick off the box. I've got the camera too, the B-roll, in a bit of a weird location because I'm testing this Navi. It's kind of like a Navi that's probably meant for more like naked bikes, you know, with round clocks and all that. Anyhow, I'm going to give this a spin today, give it a try, see how we go. I like the colour of it, you know, the display colour. Yeah, like I just mentioned, today is the BMW West Side Event, west of Tokyo. Let's check this out. See if we can spot that lovely 450 GS. The F450 GS will make its appearance. It was spotted at the night ride, the BMW night ride, which was probably about a month ago. I didn't attend that because the weather was atrocious, really heavy rain and stuff like that. So. By the looks of it, we've got to take a left down here. I see some motorbikes taking a left, and there's a stadium. It's called the Ajinomoto Stadium, and here is the event. Arrived at the event. Let's go check it out. See if we can see the motorbike. We're a little bit early. Hopefully they'll let us in because it is humid. We're at kind of like just a public parking. It's not controlled by BMW Japan, so just taking my jacket with me. It's got all my gear in there. Probably should have put the side panniers on. Can store everything in there. Anyhow, see that the guys from Okada are here. Setagaya, a big motorrada here, and there she is. Looks really like a 310. It's like a bicycle. It's so light, which is what you need if you're going to go off-roading. Bye-bye. Ogiwara-san can't come with us, unfortunately. He's got responsibilities he needs to take care of. So we're just here at Touratech now at the moment. I've got on my motorbike, I've got a side stand, like a plate, which is from Wunderlich. And when we were at the SSTR, when I put it on the side stand, the motorbike was sinking into the stand, so it's not wide enough. So we've purchased here at Touratech, we've purchased these base plates, which are for the side stand. And you can see as Kenichi-san is installing it, it's much wider than the one that I've got. So this is going to be much better for places like, you know, sand, gravel, when we put our motorbikes in the side stands. Extremely grateful for Yumi-san to give us all of the base plates and all that to set it up, give a bit of tools as well. So this is going to be great. This is a great addition to the motorbike. Like I said, the one that I've got from Wunderlich, yeah, it's basically, it's too thin. It's way too thin. So guys, if you need a good base plate and you're in here in Japan, come to Touratech. They're lovely people, great service here. Let's get my motorbike ready. Look at the comparison, guys. Completely different. It's different. Wow. Yeah. Kenichi-san's idea, not my idea. Let's come here, Arch, and let's buy bigger ones. And there you go. Got that plate installed on my side stand. It also elevates the motorbike, makes it a little bit straighter, a little bit more upright, so you don't have to give it such of a big kick. If you need anything, come to Touratech in Japan. Just pulling out from Touratech. Always great to catch up with Yumi-san and Taro-san. So that is fixed, sorted. It also puts the motorbike a little bit more upright, which is, yeah, I don't oppose to that. Off we go. Nice and cool up here. Wow. So humid. It's so humid in Japan, guys. We've had a lot of rain over the last couple of weeks. I think it's just the heat is just evaporating that all. Oh. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head out for some lunch. A restaurant called Tetsuya. This looks like they sell all kinds of stuff. Go check that out. Feeling a bit peckish. A bit peckish. 800 meters down left here. The restaurant is to the left here. It's called Tetsuya. Got some motorbikes in there. Let's hope, see what kind of food they serve as well. I would never have found this place. Thank God for Kenichi-san. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, there's motorbikes there, you see, up there. Wow, what a lunch that was. Bit of a wait there before everything was prepared and we could sit down, but it was worth the wait. Like egg rolls with radish, lovely soup, some nice rice. Very good. What is that? Flying ballet, and there's motorbikes in there. What is that? It says flying ballet. Got some scooters on the bottom and some motorbikes on the top. 246. I think, guys, the 246. I hope I'm right. I think that goes all the way to Shibuya. Matter of fact, it goes all the way to the palace from here in Tokyo. Yumi motorbikes. He's got everything, all kinds in there. Kawasaki's, Yamahas, Hondas, Suzuki's. You probably can't see it on the camera from here, but yeah. Chock-a-block full of motorbikes in there. Some heavy traffic there. I got through it now finally, so hopefully it's all smooth sailing all the way down. Typical, always coming back into the city around about Sunday afternoon. A lot of people coming back from their holiday homes out in Izu or the Hakone area. It's quite congested. It's only going to get worse on Sunday evenings. Completely backed up from Ebina. You've got to come back either very early Monday morning before you go to work, or early on a Sunday. Come back Sunday afternoon, you'll be sitting in the traffic for 2-3 hours. Such is life, big city. Take a left here, head towards Haneda Airport.
just stay there, sit there, and then in 15 minutes it cools down.
From this guy, from Kenichi-san. He bought himself this one. So with the two of us, man, I mean... I wish I could just change only the tank. I love the shine of the tank. Now my racing red is nice as well.
Do you get the same size of it?
Yeah, yep.
Try?
Sato-san, いつもありがとうね。おろろろろろ
あちこち行ってますね。
そうすごい暑い今日。Thanks, Alec. ありがとうね。So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut down this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.